My name is Amrita and I'm here in Delhi's Kashmiri Gate today. Ask me why. I've come here all the way from Bengal today to see and perceive what the entire concept of Pitri Paksh is. And since I'm from Bengal and I mostly identify as an agnostic person, I barely have knowledge about these things. So with me today I have got my friend Ankit here, who has been living in Delhi for a long time now, and he's going to take me to Haridwar today and he's going to explain the entire concept of Pitri Paksh. So, आप बताओ कैसे लग रहा है?
Yes, as Amrita said, we are going to Haridwar and I think our bus has just arrived there. We will be telling you more about the process of Shraddh and what are the other ancillary aspects of it, but right now we just need to go get on our bus.
We have boarded the bus and we are en route to Haridwar and it's very hot. Ankit, कैसा लग रहा है?
It's too humid even inside the bus.
It is.
I think when the AC will kick in after the bus starts, it will be a bit of relief for us. तो सोते रहेगी इसको उतना बस चाहिए.
So we are en route to Haridwar and unfortunately we forgot that we were boarding a non-stop bus, and now that we have not brought condiments with us, we are out of food and I'm excessively hungry.
You're a liar!
So I think we have almost reached. I think we are 10 minutes away from the spot.
More or less 10 minutes.
And
Just at the outskirts of the city.
yes. We just reached Haridwar after a 4.5 hours journey, and it was a tentatively nice journey, I must say. It was not hectic. And right now it's around
15 to 7.
yeah.
We are going to go to check into our hotel and then we'll go to try to explore the city a little. हाँ बैठने के लिए शूट के लिए
सबसे बेस्ट है क्या करते जाना वो सूखी नदी है पुलिया पुलिया से थोड़े बड़ा सीधे आप
So we have reached Haridwar after a long ride, and we have found a ghat and we are sitting in one of the ghats of Haridwar, and the Pitri Paksh and the period of the 15-day period of Pitri Paksh, it's going to start tomorrow, and we're going to go to one more ghat to see how the entire rituals are being performed there early morning tomorrow. For a 5:30 AM scenario, look at the crowd. ये बढ़ने वाला है क्या दिन में?
हाँ अभी तो बहुत बढ़ेगा. It's going to swell a lot.
I mean, there are so many people अभी बाहर. लग रहा है शाम हो
Look
गया
at the river.
Ankit, tell us where we are right now.
We are exactly at Har Ki Paidi, and the most usually identifiable sign is that the watchtower which is behind us. Right now it's 6:15 in the morning, and as you can see in the video, there's a huge crowd who has gathered here. This is the first day of the 15th day ceremony of Shraddh, and early in the morning you can see people taking dips 6:15. And it's like almost the entire city has come down to this place.
Exactly. And today is the day, na? It's the day that it starts, the Pitri
हाँ.
Paksh.
वो पीछे देखो, there's this नाई घाट जहाँ पे when जो लोग श्राद्ध करने आएंगे इसका भी कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि बिफोर embarking on the process of Pinddan and Shraddh, you have to cleanse yourself.
Yeah.
ठीक है, so this hair, beard, this is considered form of sort of impurity. ठीक है, so when you are offering, exactly, so when you are offering this pind to your ancestors, you have to be clean from your body, from your heart, and it's actually going to rain, I think.
Yeah, it is. It has started raining, by the way. It has proper, like, it's not raining, it's drizzling.
16 नगरों को पार करने के बाद एक चित्रों में मिलाया जाता है। पितर कौन है? आपकी दादी, परदादी, बुढ़ी दादी, ये पितर है।
In Hindu mythology, scriptures, as well as in Hindu tradition, we always believe that when your loved ones have departed to the other world, so you have to pay obeisance or homage to them, ठीक है, by offering foods on this period of 15 days. And this period of 15 days starts from the Hindu calendar. Hindu calendar is very different from what we usually follow of English or what we call Gregorian calendar. Hindu calendar usually starts from either 21st of March or from the day when spring season ends and summer season begins. ठीक है, so ये जो श्राद्ध होता है, it always and every time happens during the Hindi month of भाद्रपद, जिसको बाकी लोग भादो भी बोलते हैं नॉर्मल।
बंगाली में भाद्रो बोलते हैं।
भाद्रो, राइट। हिंदी में भादो भी बोलते हैं, जैसे सावन भादो, ठीक है, वही होता है, ठीक है। एंड जैसे कि आज पूर्णिमा है, ठीक है, सो दिस थिंग, दिस पीरियड ऑफ 15 डेज एक्चुअली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ पूर्णिमा, नेक्स्ट डे ऑफ द फुल मून ऑफ द मंथ ऑफ भाद्रपद अकॉर्डिंग टू हिंदी कैलेंडर, ठीक है। एंड इट गोज टिल अश्विन के जो नेक्स्ट मंथ होता है आफ्टर भादो, इट गोज ऑन टिल शुक्ल पक्ष ऑफ कृष्ण पक्ष ऑफ अश्विन मंथ। सो ये 15 दिन का पीरियड होता है एंड दिस 15 डेज ऑफ पीरियड इज डिसाइडेड बेस्ड ऑन द लूनर ट्रैजेक्टरी, ठीक है। ये नॉर्मल हमारे इंग्लिश कैलेंडर के हिसाब से नहीं होता है, साल में बिल्कुल ऐसे ही चलता है, इट्स बेस्ड ऑन द लूनर ट्रैजेक्टरी। सो इस 15 दिन में हम लोग अपने जो भी पूर्वज होते हैं उनका पिंडदान करते हैं। पिंड, द वर्ड पिंड बेसिकली मीन्स कि एक राउंडेड हीप रहता है ऑफरिंग का, विच वी ऑफर टू आवर जो डिपार्टेड सोल्स है, आवर एल्डर्स और एंसेस्टर्स। एंड उसके पीछे एक और देयर इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एक्चुअली एन एनेक्डोट। इट सेड दैट कि टिल आफ्टर पर्सन डाइज टिल 13 days ही और शी इज नियर अस, ठीक है। सो इसलिए हम लोग तेरहवीं करते हैं, बिकॉज आफ्टर द 13 day दैट पर्सन गोज टू अनदर वर्ल्ड।
ऐसे उठाओ, ऐसे, हाँ, जब मैं स्वाहा बोलूँ ना, ऐसे छोड़ना है, स्वाहा, ओम हरि।
So as you can see, this is the place where this Shraddh ceremony is happening, and as you can see all around me, people here have gathered to offer their respect to their elders. This is actually the process which we were talking about. यहाँ पे अभी पिंडदान हो रहा है and उसके बाद ये लोग तर्पण करेंगे। They will offer every sort of offerings to their ancestors so that they could live peacefully and they could shower their blessings on them.
ब्रह्मा जी के लिए, विष्णु भगवान के लिए, शिवाय नमः शिव जी महाराज के लिए, धर्मराजाय नमः धर्मराज देवता के लिए।
सो पिंडदान का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि अगले 1 साल तक, सिंस वो जो यहाँ से वहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं यमराज तक, यमराज के घर या यमराज के कोर्ट तक, so they might be hungry. So within 1 year you have to feed them so that they will bless you. That is the whole concept.
It was a long day and the last few moments was crazy because I think I was about to die because stampede में मैं मर जाती हूँ, not even
Stampede
kidding.
had almost started.
Yeah, it was, man, and people, as soon as the aarti got over, they just had to leave. They were like, turn around, leave. It was
Crazy out there, seriously, it was crazy.